Picture warm, gooey cookies, crunchy candies, velvety cakes, and waffle cones piled high with ice cream. Is your mouth watering? Are you craving dessert? Why is that? What happens in the brain that makes sugary food so hard to resist? Sugar is a general term used to describe a class of molecules called carbohydrates, found in a variety of food and drink. Glucose, fructose, sucrose, maltose, lactose, dextrose, and starch are all forms of sugar, and it's in more than just desserts. It's also in things like tomato sauce, yogurt, dried fruit, flavored waters, and granola bars. So, what happens when sugar hits your tongue? When you eat something sugary, the sweet taste receptors on your tongue send a signal to the brain, which processes that signal in different parts of the brain, including the cerebral cortex. This area is responsible for detecting sweetness and activates the brain's reward system. This reward system releases dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good and encourages you to repeat the behavior. It's not just food that triggers this. Things like socializing, sexual behavior, and even drugs also activate the reward system. But when this system is overactivated, it can lead to cravings, loss of control, and increased tolerance to sugar. The sugar you eat travels down to your stomach and gut, where sugar receptors also exist, sending signals to the brain about hunger and fullness. The major currency of the reward system is dopamine, which is released when you eat sugar. Unlike healthy foods, sugar keeps triggering dopamine without the levels dropping over time. That's why eating too much sugar can be addictive. The more sugar you consume, the harder it becomes to resist. So while a little indulgence won't hurt, eating too much sugar too often can lead to addictive effects in the brain.